Hey friends! Ready to explore your amazing body today? Welcome back to Narrate. Let's dive into the world of your own body parts. You use your body all day for so many cool things like walking and playing. From writing to eating, your body parts work together every second. So, what exactly are body parts? Let's find out. Body parts are the different pieces that make up your amazing body. Each body part has a special job to help you every day. Some parts help you see and hear, others help you move and work. Let's start with the head, the very top of your body. Inside your head is the brain, your super cool thinking machine. On your face, you have eyes to see the world around you. Ears let you hear birds chirping and your favorite songs. Your nose helps you smell fresh flowers and yummy food. And your mouth? It's for eating tasty treats and chatting with friends. Next, your arms and hands, superheroes for lifting and holding stuff. Your arms help you carry things with power and strength. Hands let you write, clap, and hold your favorite toys tight. Don't forget your fingers, small but mighty for picking up tiny things. Moving on to legs and feet, your body's awesome movers. Legs help you stand tall, walk to fun places, run, and jump high. Feet keep your body balanced while you move around with ease. No legs or feet. Moving would be really tricky, right? There are other cool parts, like shoulders that support your arms. Your knees help you bend your legs when you want to sit or squat. And your back keeps you standing straight and strong all day long. Every single part of your body is super important, like pieces of a puzzle. To keep your body parts happy, let's learn how to care for them right. Eat healthy, exercise, stay clean, and get plenty of rest every day. A healthy body keeps you happy and ready for awesome adventures. Now, tell me your favorite body part in the comments. Can't wait to see you.